Hi, this is Freddy live from Waterfall Park, and there you can see the walkway up to the top, and there's the running water, and I will be going up here too, only maybe not all the way to the top, but only a little bit, because they say it is dangerous, and maybe it is. And I'm now 1.5 meters high, 2 meters high. Yes, you can do it. 2.5 meters high, you know, it goes down. I can look around the sun. Wow. I think the children are more courageous than I am. I'm sorry, I had to jump down. I was too nervous. Yeah, this is the view from the waterfall.